Get ready to dive into the world of love, passion, and unforgettable endings. If you're tired of heartbreak and tragic farewells, then this video is just for you. These Turkish dramas don't just tell love stories, they take you on an emotional roller coaster, only to leave you with a heartwarming, happy ending. And the best part, you can watch them all with English subtitles. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. At number 1, we have Yüce Kızıl Kardeş, and its English name is Three Sisters. This series revolves around three sisters, Turkan, Dönüş, and Derya, who navigate love, betrayal, and family secrets. Their unbreakable bond is tested as they face life's challenges. Will they find happiness amidst the turmoil? To discover their fate, tune into Yüce Kızıl Kardeş. At number 2, we have Yargı, and its English name is Family Secrets. Yargı follows the intense relationship between lawyer Selin and prosecutor Ilgaz as they work together to solve a murder case that hits close to home. Their professional collaboration leads to personal entanglements, challenging their perceptions of justice and love. Can they overcome the obstacles in their path? Watch Yargı to find out. At number 3, we have Ömer. This drama tells the story of Ömer, a young man torn between his family's expectations and his own desires. As he falls in love with Gamze, a woman from a different background, they must confront societal norms and family pressures. Will their love prevail against the odds? Discover their journey in Ömer. At number 4, we have Kendi Düzen Almaz, and its English name is Come What May. In this light-hearted series, we follow Elise, a young woman who fakes her own kidnapping to test her fiancé's love. However, things take an unexpected turn when she meets Serkan, a man who becomes an unwitting accomplice in her plan. Will Elise's quest for true love lead her to unexpected happiness? Find out in Kendi Düzen Almaz. At number 5, we have Sakla Beni, and its English name is Hide Me. Sakla Beni centers on Elif, a woman hiding from her past, and Mehmet, a man seeking redemption. Their paths cross unexpectedly, leading to a complex relationship filled with secrets and love. Can they find solace in each other? To uncover their story, watch Sakla Beni. At number 6, we have Sehne Hayatma, and its English name is My Wonderful Life. This series portrays the life of Aslı, a woman who appears to have it all but feels something is missing. Her life takes a turn when she meets Kerem, a free-spirited man who challenges her perspective. Will Aslı embrace the changes and find true happiness? Experience her transformation in Sehne Hayatma. At number 7, we have Safir, and its English name is Sapphire. Safir tells the tale of Feraye, a woman with a mysterious past, and Yaman, a successful businessman. Their lives intertwine through unexpected events, leading to a passionate love story. Can they overcome the shadows of their pasts to build a future together? Watch Safir to see their journey unfold. At number 8, we have Dilekte, and its English name is Wishing Stone. Set in the 1980s, Dilekte follows the story of Mustafa, a man wrongfully imprisoned, and his daughter, Sema, who believes in his innocence. As they fight for justice, they encounter love, betrayal, and hope. Will their wishes come true? Find out in Dilekte. These Turkish dramas offer a perfect mix of romance, intrigue, and heartfelt emotions, all leading to satisfying conclusions. Which one will you watch first? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting recommendations.